Guys, my brother is whining and whining like a little brat. So, yeah, Disney Pixar cars on, that from Mattel. Okay, 2-foot track, and onto, 2 tractors, a fence, and a little thing where, not this, yeah, and also right now, Clear's a little scared face, and also Frank, which we'll get on later. There we go. Just pull that little thing back. Put my queen there. Now, ready, set, launch. So it just motions, but let's start with little things up. Yeah. Ready? Down. Okay. And launch. Try. So, this is the next one. You see it? What? Action. So yeah, so push this button. I have things to it in the back. I don't know how to do it with one hand, so push this button. Ready? Set. That was amazing. Now let's put Link. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I did not make it. I made it. You can't grab it and then press buttons, right? Oh, that. What's that key? You want to go inside that? Yeah. What do you want to do? Make a video? Oh. You don't want me to hold it and make a video too? Right, guess what? Why don't you go get your tag and make a video? Oh, yippee! Fun yourself. You're welcome, fat little baby. So, yeah, let's try this. 3, 2, 1, launch. Did not work. Let's try to clean this time. Ah! Frank's gonna get me. 3, 2, 1, launch. That was amazing right there. Yeah, guys. This was D-Rock Soon Show. And wait. Oh yeah, this is D-Rock Soon. So, yeah. See you later, guys.